Earth's environment became cleaner when the entire world shut down from the coronavirus. People say that this is very ironic and want to know how to maintain this newly purified earth. How should we interpret this occurrence? It means that humanity has been doing something that we should not have been doing. When the earth's environment is polluted, it means people are doing things that they should not be doing. Earth always circulates. If humanity stops what we should not be doing for just 6 months, then the earth will become very clean. So what would happen if we are careful for 3 years? Earth's environment will return to a healthy state. We need to reduce the activity of factories just a little bit. Industrial activities within Earth should operate just as much as the Earth's innate purification ability can handle. The problem occurs when industrial activity goes beyond the Earth's limit. Earth has a purification ability. Earth can purify up to a certain amount, but if the pollution goes beyond that limit, then the Earth will get sick. That's why some people want to travel to Mars because planet Earth is sick. Someone asked, how many are going to Mars? A few. Then all the rest are left to die? Only people with money can go? Does that make any sense? Is that money yours? It's humanity's and people's money. Just because you're holding the money, you would use it to go to Mars with your family and live? Do you think that grand nature will allow that to happen? It is possible to restore the earth back to a healthy state. Don't you see the possibility from watching what's happening? When the world's industrial activity suspends its activity even for just a few months, the earth's environment improves. We can all see it. How cleaner would the environment be if this continued for 1 year? How about 3 years? Even if it's a little inconvenient, we need to match nature's rhythm. We have to manage Earth more intelligently in the future. Unless planet Earth is managed more intelligently, there is no way to prevent Earth's pollution or its destruction. We need to manage more intelligently. 대한민국 needs to adopt a more intelligent management system. So how does an intelligent management system work? 대한민국 has been very productive with industrial manufacturing, but it resulted in polluting the country's environment. There is severe pollution, but if the country's activity becomes more innovative, would pollution continue? China also needs to change its activity to be more sophisticated as time goes by. No more human wave tactics using sheer numbers of people, but try to help humanity by doing something more innovative. By doing so, one can become the world's leader. You don't become the world's leader by making a lot of money from selling many products made by an army of cheap labor. That is why when we help China by way of innovation, then China will become a sophisticated nation. When we educate and lead the world with advanced knowledge, the world will try to emulate us. We have to prepare ourselves. Anybody who learns from us will become knowledgeable. Earth can be saved when we manage planet Earth more intelligently. By doing so, the earth will be purified even more and become a beautiful place for humans to live.